Hello everyone, you are seeing my first look at the December subscription box. I have cut the size, but I have not seen anything in this. I literally just picked it up from outside. So, sneaky peeky, see? I didn't touch it at all. That's all I know about this box is what you know. So let's go ahead and take a look. And here is the most gorgeous box. Let's get cozy and warm in our favorite cafe and watch the snowfall from our little table. Oh my god, if you said cafe, there better be coffee stuff, I swear. I swear. Okay, little sneak. Boxes. Okay. Now let me take these out one by one. Oh, as if I need anything more for my favorite collection is mugs. We have another mug in here with the gore. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous this mug is. And it has that same pattern as the outside. This, what, looks like a, oh, and a cute little ampersand at the bottom. This looks, what, I think maybe like 10 ounces? And it does say hand wash only in multiple spots. So I will definitely have careful consideration for the mug, especially because mugs are just my favorite thing. I had to pull out my immediate favorite thing that I saw. Let's go on, and we have a decorative pen storage tin with this beautiful blue. I love all of these like light muted colors. This is cute. Always pour some positivity. Oh, I love that. You can see gold on the inside. So cute. Ooh, we have a set of gel pens. Looks like the same muted colors in the box. It's like a very like muted pastel type of look. Oh god, I don't want to butcher this box. Oh, gorgeous colors. Okay, we have the peach, the pink, the blue, the red, and the gray with the gorgeous ampersand on top. I will try these out in another video. Moving on, we have mechanical pencils, a set of 2. Ooh, I wish this box had this pole. A set of 2. Oh, these are so pretty. You can see it's the clicky kind of mechanical pencils. Perfect for prepping your bullet journal spreads, of course. So mechanical pencils, set of 2. We have stationery scissors. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Oh, wow. If this isn't for some Instagrammable photos, I don't know what is. Absolutely beautiful. Very pointy. Okay, let's keep going. We have a collaging set. So these are a bunch of stickers. Ooh, with some beautiful vellum paper. So we have the blue, we have the pink, we have the white vellum, and then we have the beige. Yeah, beige. So a collaging set embellishing vellum sheets and stickers. I'll go ahead and stick that on back. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I do absolutely adore these. We have a set of washi. I love just the little bits of cafe feel in here because of the browns. I love this striped because those are obviously some of the most versatile. And then this is a brown. We have this that has the coffee shop. With the coffee and like an open sign. So here is what the washi tape looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I love this blue. I absolutely adore this blue. So there is the decorative washi tape. And we get into the most loved items, I am sure, which are 2 notebooks of some sort. We have a 192 dot grid pages. Let's go ahead and jump into here. With a beautiful cover. Oh, okay. This is a beautiful leather piece with white gilded edges and white dot grid paper. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love the floral with the cafe mix. That is absolutely gorgeous. So there's one notebook and then another maybe notebook. It is a lined notebook. Okay, so we have 160 lined pages this time. It looks to be a square notebook in the blue, which I am thrilled about. Oh, with very muted blue. Okay. We have a very muted blue with the little cafe. This is a linen cover. White gilded edges and white lined pages. So that is everything in the box. So we have the square notebook. We have the A5 notebook. We have washi tape, scissors, a beautiful tin. We have the vellum paper. We have mechanical pencils. We have gel pens. And then I'm still just in awe of this mug, to be quite honest with you. I didn't expect this at all. So that is our December Archer and Olive, and this was my first look at everything. I'm so excited about the blue in particular. I love that blue. And of course, this freaking little mug, it looks perfect for like a little espresso. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think, what your favorite item is in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear what you all have to say about these awesome items. I'm so incredibly excited. I love the pen storage as well. I think these two are my favorite items. And then the A5, those three, I'm so excited about. Mostly because these are things that we haven't gotten before. And I have a love of all things coffee. so I'm exceptionally in love with this. So let me know what you think. I can't wait to see your reaction. And let me know in the comments below what you think. And thank you to Archer and Olive, who sent me this box because I am part of their ambassador team. It is so wonderful to work with such a wonderful company who takes care of their ambassadors, their affiliates. I've had such a good experience working with them. So thank you so much to Archer and Olive for this so that I could send you my first reaction. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.